Stop taking creatine wrong. Biggest mistakes you didn't know. When it comes to enhancing muscle gain, understanding creatine supplementation is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their fitness journey. Creatine is a popular supplement known for its ability to improve strength and increase muscle mass. But many individuals make common mistakes that can hinder their progress. These errors can lead to suboptimal results and even potential negative effects on health, such as gastrointestinal discomfort or dehydration. By recognizing these pitfalls, users can avoid them and ensure they are getting the most out of their creatine regimen. In this discussion, we will delve into the most frequent mistakes people make when taking creatine and how to steer clear of them. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge needed to maximize your creatine use effectively. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of how to properly incorporate creatine into your routine, allowing you to achieve your muscle gain goals more efficiently and safely. Taking creatine on an empty stomach can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, as the supplement may irritate the stomach lining when there is no food present to buffer its effects. This irritation can manifest as bloating, cramping, or nausea, making the supplementation experience unpleasant. To mitigate these issues, it is highly recommended to take creatine after meals, particularly those rich in carbohydrates. Consuming creatine alongside carbohydrates can enhance its absorption and effectiveness as insulin levels rise, facilitating the uptake of creatine into muscle cells. Ideal carbohydrate sources include fruits like bananas and apples, which provide natural sugars and essential nutrients, as well as white bread, which is easily digestible and can quickly elevate blood sugar levels. By pairing creatine with these carbohydrate-rich foods, you not only reduce the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort, but also optimize the benefits of the supplement, ensuring that your body can effectively utilize creatine for muscle growth and performance enhancement. When starting creatine supplementation, emphasizing the importance of hydration is essential for optimal performance and health. Creatine increases the body's demand for water, as it draws water into the muscle cells to facilitate its effects on strength and muscle growth. This shift can lead to a higher risk of dehydration, especially during intense workouts, where fluid loss through sweat is significant. Dehydration can impair physical performance, leading to fatigue, muscle cramps, and decreased endurance, which can hinder your fitness goals. Additionally, maintaining proper hydration is crucial for electrolyte balance, as water helps regulate the levels of essential minerals in the body, such as sodium and potassium. These electrolytes play a vital role in muscle function and overall bodily processes. Therefore, it is important to drink plenty of water throughout the day, particularly before, during, and after workouts, to support your body's increased needs while taking creatine. By prioritizing hydration, you can enhance your workout performance and ensure a safe and effective supplementation experience. Addressing the dangers of incorrect dosing of creatine is crucial for anyone considering this supplement. Many individuals mistakenly believe that taking higher doses will lead to better results, but this is not necessarily true. In fact, excessive creatine intake can lead to potential harm, including gastrointestinal issues, kidney strain, and dehydration. The body can only utilize a certain amount of creatine at a time, and surpassing this threshold does not enhance its benefits. Instead, it may result in unnecessary side effects. To ensure safe and effective use, it is essential to follow recommended dosing guidelines, typically around 3 to 5 grams per day after an initial loading phase. However, individual needs can vary based on factors such as body weight, activity level, and overall health. Therefore, it is highly encouraged to consult a healthcare professional or a nutritionist for personalized dosing recommendations. This approach not only maximizes the benefits of creatine, but also minimizes the risks associated with incorrect dosing, ensuring a safer supplementation experience. Continuous creatine supplementation is vital for maintaining the gains achieved during training. When individuals stop taking creatine, they may experience a decline in muscle strength and size as the elevated creatine levels in the muscles begin to diminish. Research has shown that consistent use of creatine can help preserve muscle mass and strength, even during periods of reduced training or breaks. Studies indicate that those who continue to supplement with creatine during these breaks maintain better performance levels compared to those who cease intake altogether. This highlights the importance of daily creatine consumption, regardless of training status. Whether you are in a high-intensity training phase or taking a rest period, maintaining a steady supply of creatine in your system can support muscle recovery and growth. By encouraging daily intake, you ensure that your muscles remain saturated with creatine, allowing you to maximize your performance and minimize any potential losses. Ultimately, consistent supplementation is key to achieving long-term fitness goals and sustaining the benefits of your hard work. Choosing high-quality creatine is essential for ensuring optimal results and safety in supplementation. Low-quality creatine products can pose several risks, including contamination with harmful substances, ineffective formulations, and poor absorption rates. These inferior products may not only fail to deliver the promised benefits, but could also lead to adverse health effects. To mitigate these risks, it is crucial to purchase creatine from reputable manufacturers known for their commitment to quality and transparency. Look for brands that provide third-party testing and certifications, as these can serve as indicators of product reliability. Additionally, checking the purity of the creatine is vital. Opt for products that contain pure creatine monohydrate without unnecessary fillers or additives. Reading customer reviews can also provide valuable insights into the effectiveness and safety of a product. By prioritizing high-quality creatine, you can ensure that you are making a sound investment in your health and fitness journey, maximizing the benefits of supplementation while minimizing potential risks associated with low-quality alternatives.